man. I lost my phone. Yeah. Let's go. A chick once asked me if I believed in God, seemed kinda odd, but I simply replied, they say heaven is white, hell is red. I play the corner any day I could be dead. Well, I don't wanna go to heaven, all I need for God is the answer one question. Is if life based on saying, how can I just give him which is just an amen? I lost my phone when it's pregnant, jumping after me to service, she only had one, I took it. I'm a customer, hell is scared before they part of the beginning of most my niggas is crooked. One life lesson might seem depressing as a young dude trying to get up to school. My only mission was to get me some loot, and if a nigga try to stop, I ain't afraid to shoot. I shoot him dead, and they kill you, never use his leg. Go about my business with no regrets. A spade, a diamond, a diamond. I'm from that era where only dumb boys just shining. Going to school couldn't give me no guidance. X minus 3 plus Y minus 3. Fuck, just teach me chemistry so I could get the grind. The last line maybe need to rewind. Show you the game ain't based on sympathy. So if he wanna go to war, he gon' feel the misery. He's either the end of my enemy or the end of me. Anyhow you put it, someone is dying for the love of the cash. You love me, baby, there's some things you should never ask. You should never ask. I live my life for the moment. It's okay, you don't know me. I'm the type of person who take your life cause you don't own it. You're about to witness encrypted cold way beyond physics. The sky, remember, outside of the sky, you can't breathe. But I wreck this shit to the death, and if I die for my respect, city of God, city of hope. I'm just a young nigga from the city of hope. I'm in emotion. Seen the good die, seen the bad die. Mama screaming, Lord, why? How do I describe it? A victim that wasn't so innocent. Somebody came in and finished it. That shit can happen to me, but shit ain't happening to me. Friends died at about 97, friends lost about 211. The dates and cold in my heart, and cold in my voice. The everlasting niggas going draft. I put the game on me, don't give a fuck. They want to zone on me. These pussy niggas on me. The rhythm ain't blue, the rhythm is true. Alakazam, Alakazoo, have you disappeared with no clue? Is it heaven for gangsters? Or is the only shining shackle on hand? Cause fuck the Lord, green the only color that matters. What do I base this upon? Green the color you never walk on when you stress. It's the color you take a puff on. These just facts. Green the only thing that's stacked on to being passed on. Too much of the savage ready to kill you back. It just comes automatic. When the day gone and the night come, you bullets to be the outcome. How you choose to die, a victim or witness. Niggas are ruthless in the streets of vision. Even these crackheads, police letting know cause they think you suspicious. While niggas and people die every day. Sometimes my mind races, but I won't go the wrong straight. And if I had to again, I won't hesitate. Nothing worse than to get mad if you gave him a break. This time there will be no mistake. Kill all enemies and burn the stake. That's some shit when I say when I pray. Let's go. Let's go. What's fiction? Shit gets no realer. Is it simply for the user? No pity for the dealer. I get sentimental. I leave them in the middle. Get back to the kitchen. Put the pirates on the counter. Have you ever looked in the mirror, looked into your eyes, say after tonight, man? Yes, it's a killer for the thriller. Have you ever looked at your nigga? Both of you both know that one of you gotta go. Some shit just weigh heavy on your soul, my nigga. Welcome to Ether 5.0. When you look in my eyes, know you fucking on the road. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. say when you get your chance, you take a turn in the dead and one bullet in the chamber, chased down by 5, and your hands running out of ammo. Fuck you like to sell you up and set you breathing. Shit, this the last time breathing, and I feel it's what I needed. So give me a reason, be your last time breathing. Roll your hand twice, you can meet God twice. Last seconds before the flashing light, and whoever you fucking meet in the afterlife. This game will test it, so I find my answers. Some of my problems usually carry in a stretcher. It's like letting go. Your heart beating so fast, and your finger ease the pressure. You only die with your eyes open. When you say coming, you ain't no shit. Set up by someone closer. What was you hoping? Hollow tips, bullet fragments that shatter once it enters and it's broken. See, my eyes remain emotional. Don't let the fire to provoke me. Your life is your life, so niggas throw that what's fiction. Shit gets no realer. Is it simply for the user? No pity for the dealer. I get sentimental. I leave them in the middle, get back to the kitchen, put the pirates on the kennel. Have you ever looked in the mirror, looked into your eyes, say after night, man, your ass is a killer for the thriller. Have you ever looked at your nigga? Both of you both know that one you gotta go. Some shit just wait, heavy on your soul, my nigga. Welcome to Ether 5.0. Yeah. What's your God like? For religion and kill, so you think God won't smite? I'm about to red out. So now I'm to the end, spit on your baby, put a hole in your lady. 46 guns and they all off safety. This ain't threat, this ain't music. You be foolish if you think I won't do it. See, your diamonds are artificial, they can be broken apart. I never heard after a body again that it changed your heart. What's the process? Multi-platinum artists, so he tired, but couldn't leave the projects. Every night I wonder if it should've kept it humble. With this much fire, see the whole game crumble. Every night I wonder if this shit could take me under. Then I realized that the chopper hold a heart. What's fiction? Shit gets no realer. Is it simply for the user? No pity for the dealer. I get sentimental. I leave them in the middle, get back to the kitchen, put the pirates on the kennel. Have you ever looked in the mirror, looked into your eyes, say after night, man, your ass is a killer for the thriller. Have you ever looked at your nigga? Both of you both know that one you gotta go. Some shit just wait, heavy on your soul, my nigga. Welcome to Ether 5.0. Walk on fire, be dry in rain. Ice in vain. Shorty, what you throwing? How you burn cocaine? Young niggas act violent. What the fuck was you learning science? Some shit so real that you praying that it's fake. Without a security, feel the streets unsafe. You feel me up and even protecting that family cake. A million eyes on you bone. Shit, I ain't seen. Do you know who? Shit. I'm a legend, I'm a menace to you niggas with no ever shine bright like a pendant with a fucking diamond. What's a soldier to a lieutenant, what's a king to a peddler, what's a god to the immortal, what's a man to a god, what's dead for a sinner, what's Will my soul ever enter with my Lord? Know my temple, I'm God of these record killer. 3 reign the pure trifecta. And for the next 16, try better. Paint the pictures on the canvas while I kidnap your daughter for ransom. As the judge, we don't discuss our finances. Mac 11s, 2 Glock 7. Kill you before you say brethren. Niggas always see religion down the barrel of a weapon. Now I lay, forget the message. Now you lay, you get the message. Before I pray, I resurrected. This shit makes it all better. Get this work in tonight, man. Oh, you knew you. What's up, though, irrelevant? Niggas say my name to hope to get relevant. Never get me when I let go on someone better than you. A beast, I'm a god, lyrical, biblical, single through imperial. Y'all get me like cereal. You just make it high, you been my hit by the most lyrical. You been hit by, nigga. Smooth criminal, pick for the gram with a dick in the mouth. Some do anything for the outcome out. You wanna go for her? With God you lose for the community. Need a gimmick to become champion. Nigga, yeah, but stereo. Mask on Ray Mysterio. You inferior to God. Circle, sorry, West Coast. Ain't Kendrick Lamar. Turn up, shoot better. Crack out line, shaft on my design. Don't make me put it still in back of your mind. In the scope, many have died after they've seen into a scope. When you gamble, it's out of show. I'm not the most known billionaire. With money this long, I can make you disappear with this flow. Can you lose your career? Poof. If I pay for pussy, just show the chick you leave. Not to hope to get a platinum CD. Devil sell, they show hoping to bury the God. Shit, I laugh and nod. Inevitable. Step in the booth, get away with murder. It's incredible. Cop trying to cut, but the murder way is ineligible. Your flow's incredible. My flow changed from 8 decimal. Niggas beat you, resent they make me. Cause I don't come more to contact slavery. Dig deeper, ask the reaper, flame flow. Either. Really don't care to meet you. Still with this diva. I'm a hustler's keeper. Don't fuck with you either. Passionate craft in my design. Ain't rest is mine. A lot of companies mine. Look at the watch and it's sad time. Big riding, what's up, the benevolent? Niggas say my name, I hope to get relevant. Woman get me when I let go, move for someone better than you. A beast, I'm a god, lyrical, biblical, cynical, imperial. Y'all get me like cereal. You just been hit by, the most lyrical. You been hit by, nigga, a smooth criminal. Yeah, it's like that, swallowing up the jeans. Damn little man, starting to my soul. Yeah, it's like that, swallowing up the jeans. Like I won't snuff your geek, yeah, we all got straps. Swag. Big belly monster. For your whole damn squad. To the motherfucking floor. Yes, sir. B-boy sick. Yeah, it's like that, swallowing up them jeans. Damn little baby, starting to my soul. Yeah, it's like that, swallowing up them jeans. Yo, I rock like Tom Night, roll up, spotlight. Yeah, tight. When they get you, find shit I saw. Yeah, it's like that, swallowing up them jeans. Damn little mama, find shit I saw. Yeah, it's like that, swallowing up them jeans. hit away. New low, penitentiary chance. My side, my sort of dance. I throw the thumb when I bring over to the hand. My stories tell you, light of love, no genie, like the light of by G. Check, made, come with your level, name, my play, my style, style, plenty of sense. I want you to justify your thug. I want to justify my love. Oh, it's the big so slick with it. How real is this? Hit away. Oh, it's big money talking so how real it is. My catch me a big hit away. Go. Yeah, new low. World War I. Civil War 393. B5 full farm. Bitch niggas, they came out, go get me on the table. Let's dog. Marcello. Mickey. No, you like you know what it's right. Yeah. Yeah.
Chase money.
If you take my love away, you think I could change my life, and it's the same thing, girl, it's the same. If you take my love away, it's okay, baby girl, I was young and felt bliss and touch your kiss to see the eyes make my heart was one day it all shattered and leave my heart numb. Everything you say make it feel like it's done. I walk to the dawn, you say don't leave. I walk out, baby girl, you gon' scream. I got a heart to my sleeve. This is it. Really can't believe it. Turned this from a rain started our very first kiss. Then when it came started to drip, you used to say the sweetest thing. Then we fall in love, things the same, and feeling the pain off of you run away. Kind of thing. You always say, don't get too comfortable. If you take my love away, you say I'll feel your pain, baby girl, it'll be okay. If you take my love away, it's like it's rage in the moment, can't control it. Say if your relationship to others can be open. You flip the script, I started the trip. What you mean? You say other new in time. Give you the time and I can't be wrong. Saying damn, this hurts my pride. What you need, another man can't get close and start to touch every time you getting colder. All saying, baby, come closer. You touch my nose, gave me a kiss. I gotta go. Then you exit, now you're a bitch. I hurt you, hurt me back. Saying if I come back, why I wouldn't be there? You both shed a tear, and I say to myself, too. If you take my love away, you said I would change my life. One thing, baby girl, that I'll be okay. If you take my love away, you said I would change my life. One thing, baby girl, I'll be okay. If you take my love away. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Hide and see what you know about me. Everything on the humble. 12 or something got a D. And ask me. Asking the SoundCloud me. What you know about me. Like you 12 or something. They have the fire. And it's granted. Amanda. Man straight. Yeah, for bouncing. Diddy or something. Talking about had a milk. No line on pretense. That's the type of shit I'm giving you. Hide and see what you know about me. Everything off the humble, nigga, 12 or something. Action the SoundCloud me. You know always what it says. 63. Yeah. Oh well. Well. Hide and see what you know about me. Everything off the humble, man. You 12 or something. You on Smith. Asking the SoundCloud me. What you know about me. You 12 or something. Asking the SoundCloud me. Yeah. It's that first time, heard the first series on the radio, feeling that. It's that don't touch the phone. Pump up the vibe, pump up the vibe. Heard it on the radio. Pump up the vibe, pump up the vibe. Sticking the wave, how to levitate. Shout out to Wesley. It's that first time, heard the first time on the radio, feeling black. It's that get low, touch the floor. Pump up the volume, pump up the volume, pump. Heard it on the radio. Here we go. You want pump up the volume. 10 at a time. Melody. With the beat on, boom. bump, 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 da 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 da. Ain't no party like it, ain't no party, ain't no party like it, ain't no party, ain't no party like it, ain't no party, ain't no party like it, we'll have a party on the dome. It's that first time, heard it first, heard it on the radio, feel, blast, blast. Here we go, just that get no touch the floor, you want more, pump up the volume, pump, 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 pump the volume, pump, 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 pump. That first time, heard it on the radio, feel, blast, blast. Here we go, just that get no touch the floor, you want more, pump up the volume, pump, 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 pump. Pump up the volume. What it is, what it does, what it do. What the fuck, man, got you? You run around here like you got something to prove, like they did me. You got much to lose. I wanted to live. You out here fucking me like I'm just trying to save this face. Playing my face, playing my brain. Nigga don't trip. Yeah, let me kick it with you. Holla you for a minute. I know one is robot indifferent. What are you trying to say? 10 toes now, give you on forever. Guiding you. This is the way shit be talking to you. Cause you have more ass than you. Not a. I'm a man with pride. On the cut, saying my net worth being late for the skin of my toe. Oh, nigga, you can do fuck. Up and down. What you on trip? Like I don't belong to you. Yeah. What it is, what it does, what it do. What the fuck, man, got you? You run around here like you got something to prove, like you ain't much to lose. I run with the grid. You out here fucking it. Just trying to get this king. While these crackers stay on my face, look death every day. You trying to play on my brain. Nigga don't trip. It is. Belong on my entourage. Like you said, inner circle. You truly not my person. You can shoot they butt. You truly not the fucker. Fairy tale, going with the wind, losing your men. Undenied won't stop. I follow the value, my man. it does, what it do, what it does, man, God, you come around here like you got something to prove, like you got something to prove. That's crazy. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah.
Tested time, lights up, big down. If I can play reset again with the chances, things revisit before life cards, hard plays, no mentally feeling this really was an obstacle. Married to the grind, and these times felt misery in my heart, but even if I knew you the same way, forgive my disrespect, lacking intellect, in my thoughts, introspect, fear the journey that connect. Nine dots, no polio, extra endeavor, the only road, memories for the highs and the lows, good, bad, the ugly, weather the storm, ground in the abyss, heaven came with a bag, my dog. Cop things never had, my babe just copied. Swag minutes barely describe a lifetime. When I was born, came out the womb, learning how to move. I crawl, I finally ran off the step with no regret. Nature land of the free, also land trying to enslave me. Past the rising, not gon' demonize. This is for setups, no mission come without mistake. Passing through obstacles, many may never see the glory. Live worried, only God to judge me. Thuggin', little hitter used to be bitch made. My mind hard time to change. When feeling word on your shoulder, losing the grip. Don't need to hear, baby, I'm proud of me. Feeling had to represent, made God truly for repent. Wanted a Benz 30 times low, ain't got no license. While fed still for an indictment. It's my life, you can love it or not. Like it made me recite it harder than these ounce. I am who I am, from the way, from the concrete. Where we swept off the feet last time. You speak, no coincidence to the highs and lows. If you don't know, now you know. Look, sometime bother me. We all live something we regret. My life no seeking, but this shit is about as real as it get. About as real as it get. Got me on the mic, bro.
Yeah, son. Almost finished, yeah. 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 Whoa. Vision how I vision it. I'm gonna go through it. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Man picked up my jack when that last time I used to talk out loud. Ice cold, I suppose. To the weight, I know.
Wanted to be down, I'm in, so I think what it feel like when you don't have a bill right. Need to be paid
in the bills, right?
Plugs not in the socket.
Consignments out of pack.
These are the great champions. But do you understand that? Young man is on your toes, rumble, young man rumble. Before you hit the floor, tradition on life and what's the definition for. In the abundance, one from home. Run my other ops, all my tears. When I'm down to the end, they missing me. But if I leave, will they still love me? I'm in. You would've never knew if you stayed the betrayals. Would've had a cousin on top, beside. It's good as you, not provoke.
Let's go.
Play on purpose. To enter the form and not all hard. The same reason from back. Didn't lose, see the man still. That's my homie, right? And still any concrete. That was my homie, right? Who dreams and dark.
Who dreams after dark?
In streets like these, like lies, making it. True forever, going when you stop sign, then I crash up with feels right. No mistaken race, block this ain't MPA. We're channel, most wanted so bad.
You betrayed.
Face like you so great, can you take? Anyhow, the roads have to face me. Them my rhyme and feeling alone. In my environment, feeling alone. Everyone talking, but don't seem to be lit. Don't feel what's up. Dollars always fit. Got a pocket full of stuff, disconnect like who the one. Pay attention, then you pay the attention. Get angry. Aside, about to cost lunch. Talking this ride, going and slide. I'm inside, he's still broke. Say, step out. We made it a text, now it's this. Yeah, nah, but you know it's like, I swear, execution in time, feel the fall, a regret. Won't scream his name, this tale, the only one bit. No matter where you go, begin this way, no videos of pain. If you try to get straight, you miss your belly. And yet, shit, analyze.
Now entering the win anthology. Them tigers. Let's go, baby.
Young man, baby.
Mind on the million. No sense. Color code clarity, get the big picture down or whatever and set the life sent. So, all about a dollar shorty looking for a sponsor. And pop up. Try will hold you down. Macking on a scammer with a real fat ass. Your love and you both pretend. You're more successful than you.
That's how it is now.
80 kilo pound. Make no sound. Speaking to the principal. On the principal.
Yeah, shorty, I fuck with shorty, you and your stuff.
Might be a pinnacle. The nigga high and low, maybe a pinnacle.
Form a pedestal. So where you take the spot? Nothing like busted chops. Cause you got more, what you rather?
Then chick.
Well, I gotta rather be like that than I love. Cause deep down I run
The blocks and I love it.
but who you make a song never heard of from WP selling keep packing burning my dog party go if you got murdered. The life we live, gas paid out. Put the beat on the burning hatch and you don't turn the skin, you let me reach but I know we
Like how you turn.
somehow take the slave, no sojourner. Seeing paper, getting no news.
Ghetto gospel.
So shit, this is get the blues.
Took out that man. Yeah. City, no pity, live like angel, all about a big dream, and value, so I need my better value.
Turn up the volume. I walk on block, every person knows my name. Go down a few blocks, further ahead if you wanna ride. When no hands up, it's the Glock revolver. Star revolution.
Evolution, I was sick in the boy.
Chill with the fam, with the fam.
You know how I go.
Outside, freezing, I feel like
Yeah.
let's kick cards for the corner. We slide to the ball, lighten up, we dribble a rock, stop. Show ya liking her crew, made a stop. Nigga see the ball, people so tall. Pass the me, still got beef. If we walk, I need to know for sure. What's cracking with you? Yeah,
Had to go down. You know, like you know, let me know tomorrow.
Go to red sector, now the same days, out same color, mad at me. Think they more rich, you stuck by my side, I might be fucking
Fucking up the vibe.
You know I'm coming over
Till
saying
the
the
night. Hell no.
Alright, when you come up, you move so fast. Will I be enough? If I gave you one, would you wear it?
Yeah.
Till matching, J matching, product method. Here's her name rings. Marcus, you really about to deal cocaine?
Hey.
Would you wear it?
Hey.
Let's
Stay in the night. Set it off. Then you say yeah. Then you say no. Nigga, hell no. I still love you though. 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 I still love. Now you know, like you know, awesome. Love you. Side. Now you play with the love, we just gonna let this vibe out, man. Yeah. Clap.
What's up, my friend? Baby, out of the climax, toward the waters, how it be. You know, first days, breath, fucking like this vibe. I fucking like this vibe.
Clap. Let's go. You a fat. Let's go. House band. Let's go. Clap. Baby, yeah. York City. Man, gonna rock out. Awesome. Every word.
Move over, Denzel.
Hey, I know I'm in on this shit. Call, still won't drop like the light space song. Shorty, still to the ride, with that shorty, I done it. I wanna dance some. It's my time, hey. Look through my eyes and baby, way, the pride, treat you right, treat you right. I know, and lucky take no sound. Some sound on your mind, still on your mind. Kick it when you do the sweet, yo, off top, do me, baby girl, I'm proud of you. See you, nigga. Got big, see, smile. You no more than no. I know I love people hold but no. Saying shit, change like I hate when he say real. Just say I know you're so, you see it. like that kind of hard, keep it up. So it's disrespect, what now, love. It's not as small as get, baby. There's always fuck neck. You think you had tipsy, topsy, no maybe I'm God's like Kimsey. Bust my red, shadow, come on, acid, maybe one day. Such, out of here, cold. Out of here, cold. Yeah, I know all this shit. Still gon' drive me like me guys in the song, so it's right. Hear you proud, show that. I don't wanna use it down and 9. I wanna in the sun. My mom, one. And getting baby on the way the hell the probably ain't you right. Probably ain't you right. I knew you look. Ain't take no time. Sometimes still on your mind. One is on your mind. Kick you through the speakers from off the top.
Move over, Denzel.
One mic, one gun, one play, one song, how hard it's gonna hit to nurture to each his own. One mic, one gun, one play, one song, how hard is it gonna hit to nurture to each his own. Double the hustle.